Okay, this is just going to be a quick rundown of the chart editor so far. Currently at the moment you cannot add star power or like sections or anything like that, so I highly suggest creating and or finalizing the chart in feedback first, forcing it if you want to force it, or you can bring it over here into this new chart editor and force it in this chart editor. It does support that, but the point is feedback first, then this chart editor for now. Eventually I will implement all the necessary tools to edit everything else. So for now, let's just go for a quick rundown on the different editing things we can do. Okay, so first of all, we've got this grab tool. If I just click on a note, it brings up this properties menu. I can just change its properties like that if I really wanted to. And then you can also just click and just throw it around which way, according to the stepping, as indicated by the step. Then there's the eraser tool, so if I left click and hold, it'll just automatically just erase notes. Then we've also got the note tool, which allows you to place open notes and any other notes at the moment. As you can see, it snaps to the cursor, but if I press the 1 key, the 2 key, the 3 key, the 4 key, or the 5 key, it'll just snap to that position, and then if I press the 6 key, it'll just swap over to open notes, and then we can then place those down. In terms of sustains, if no matter what tool you're on at the moment, right clicking on a note will allow you to change the sustains, or you can change or you can right click on the actual sustain itself. Yep. What else is there? Yeah, so then there's also the save and save as, so that should be fairly self-explanatory. Then you've also got the timeline, that allows you to just navigate by clicking and dragging that, or just like using scroll wheel. Or you can just press these buttons here to just jump to the section. Currently those blue notes are just star power notes, so it does read and it does show star power, you just can't edit it. Purple glue notes are the tab notes, obviously, while having a open note that is a tab note obviously doesn't make sense, so that's not there. Yeah, then I guess another feature is that we are working with extended sustains in this. That's completely intended. So if people want extended sustains, or if extended sustains get implemented, then that will be a thing. You can't currently place in chords at the moment, so if you want a chord, just do something like that, and then just do that, I guess. Eventually I do want to press it so you can press multiple keys and then it'll create a chord like that, but for now, no. And then if you're loading in a chart that doesn't contain audio, or the chart file doesn't have the audio listing in the thing, then you can just load it via here as well. Not that would do anything, but yeah. Yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll answer them as soon as possible, or if you find any bugs or errors, let me know immediately and I will try to fix them as soon as I can.